The end of the year has almost come, and you know what that means. It's time to start thinking about Christmas gifts already. So in today's video, I'm going to help you with your list and give you some ideas for some budget-friendly gift ideas for woodworkers. Let's jump right into it. All right, number one on the list is this vacuum switch for dust collection. You can see mine is super dusty, and the reason why is because I use this all the time. This is probably the most used small tool in my shop. These range from about $30 to $45. Everything on this list I'm going to try to generally keep under $30. But basically what this allows you to do is automatically start your shop vac or dust collection system when you turn on your saw. So this is a really, really handy gift that's definitely going to help with dust in your workshop or shop space. Next up, this one's pretty simple. This is called the Glue Bot. It's just a glue bottle for wood glue, but it has some features that help it to not dry out. And somewhere, I've lost it, to be completely honest. There's a little attachment that goes with it too that'll help you make really nice glue ups on small pieces and just makes it a little bit easier to apply. This is about $10. It's really good for storage, and I find that it works well, and I don't lose a lot of glue. Like you can see, there's not like a bunch of dry glue buildup, just a few small pieces there. So this is a really good, affordable stocking stuffer or just affordable gift in general. Next up, coming in between $18 and $30, depending on your model, is this digital angle gauge. I have one from Harbor Freight. If I were to get this again, I would probably buy the Klein model, which is about $30. They're known for making a lot of electrical type tools, but basically what this does, I'll just show you, it will allow you to align an angle. So where is this useful? Especially if somebody has a table saw, if you're looking for a gift for someone, if they use a table saw, this is going to help them to get their blade alignment correct. Up next is these Rockler bench cookies. These are really convenient for just holding pieces in place on a work surface. And they come in a pack of 4, just like this. These come in at about $15 for all 4. And you can see they actually have a little threaded piece in the bottom too. And you can also buy, for just a couple dollars extra, these little cones that actually go on top of the cookies. So these are for if you're finishing pieces. It's really nice to have these. So A, the piece doesn't slide around, but B, it's just holding it up in just a really, really small pinpoint surface area rather than potentially messing up your finish by having a larger surface area resting on something. So these are really useful, pretty affordable, and you can find these on Amazon or at Rockler. The next item on my list is not one that I actually own, but if you have a friend or family member that likes to sell furniture or makes furniture just for around their house, what they may enjoy is a custom branding iron. This is something that I've been eyeing for a while. These range a lot in price depending on the size, the complexity of the logo, the shape, but they seem to be generally between $20 and $75. You can find them on Etsy. Like I said, not something that I can attest to personally, but I do think it's a really cool gift idea and something that I've had on my wish list for a little while. And if you've been around woodworking for a little while, you've probably heard the saying that you can never have too many clamps. And that's why I've included these on the list as well. Of course, you can find a variety. It doesn't have to be these. I really like these DeWalt trigger clamps though. I use them all the time, and they're reversible too, which is really convenient. And if you're looking for something a little bit less expensive than these, you could go to your local Harbor Freight and you could pick up something a little bit more like this, which is only a couple dollars. I think these are like $3 to $5, and Harbor Freight has sales all the time too. So clamps are certainly always a great option for the woodworker in your life. So if you do have just a little bit more to spend, then I did want to suggest a couple of other things. These run about $45. These are Dovetail clamps. Now, if you're looking to get this as a gift for somebody, you are only going to want to get this for somebody if they have a router. And this is a router right here behind me. But these will allow you to, these basically slide into a dovetail cut, which you would cut with a router, and they allow you to clamp a piece in place. There are a lot of other videos on YouTube that explain exactly how to make a dovetail sled and a bunch of other stuff. But these run in around $45. really useful, really well built, and these are a great gift option as well. And finally, coming in at around $50 are these 3M Work Tunes. And these are Bluetooth headset that you can use while woodworking or doing other stuff in your shop. Anything that makes a lot of noise, really. So even if somebody works in an industrial environment, this may be a good option for them to be able to listen to music, podcasts while they work. And these come in around $50. They're super comfortable. The battery lasts pretty long on them. And I can't say anything but good things about these. I've had these for a little while, and really, really useful, really nice feature to have in the shop. And they're also really good at blocking out noise. So even if you weren't to play any music in these, they're pretty effective just as earmuffs in general too. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you found this video helpful. And if you have ideas for gifts for woodworkers, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear some of your thoughts. I know there's tons of great ideas out there, but I know it can be a little bit challenging, especially if you're not a woodworker, to come up with ideas, especially ones that are affordable. So hopefully this was valuable and gave you a few ideas. I hope that you have a great day, and Merry Christmas, everyone.